Whiteboard partitions can be done in a number of ways. On my left is your traditional mobile whiteboard that can double up as a whiteboard partition. Obviously can flip, so you can write on both sides. We do it in a number of different sizes in a mobile option. Then where it gets a little bit more interesting is this range behind me that we call Productify. So what is Productify? Productify is a whiteboard partition range that we have created that allows you to create a much more sophisticated whiteboard solution where you're able to kind of build out a wall in 900 increments by 1800 high. So here's the example behind me. Comes in a beautiful black frame. And then what happens is it has a male and female mechanism that clicks into each other, and you can build the wall however long you want. And then we can add feet. You don't need a feet per partition. You could have a feet after 3 partitions. I call it 9, 18, 27 long by 1800 high. You put 2 feet at the end, and you've got this beautiful wall that you can really collaborate nicely with your friends and colleagues. And the beauty of this range is on the back side, it's got what we call an acoustic partition. So you're able to use the back of the one over here, which is really, it's a pin board where you can put some, your values, or potentially you want to be communicating to your team, and you make that like a communication wall, whether that's in your office or even in an education environment. Again, it can be done with a fixed foot, like you can see at the bottom here, or we can do a mobile version of that by adding wheels onto it, and then again you can have this amazingly dynamic range that you can move around your education, your classroom, or your office.